Let's practice this ASVAB Math Knowledge question for the ASVAB, PyCat, CAT IB, AFQT, AFCT, and ASVAB GT. The question asks here, solve for x where x squared plus 7x plus 10 equal 0, right? So in order to solve this problem, so what you have to do, you have to first factorize this quadratic equation, right? So in order to factorize, let me write that down how you could do that. You have x squared plus 7x plus 10 equal to 0, right? So what do you have to do first? So let's look at the the coefficient of x squared and multiply with the last number, right? So 10 times 1 is 10. Now you have to split that 10 in a such a way that if you add or subtract, you get 7, and if you multiply, gives you 10. So start always with 2. So you could hear 10 divided by 2 is 5. So now you could see here 5 times 2 is 10, 5 plus 2 is 7. So let's rewrite that. So that gives you x squared plus 5x plus 2x plus 10 equal to 0. So what you have to do next, you have to take the common from this and that. So in here you have the common x, then you have x plus 5, take 2 common, that gives you x plus 5 equal 0, right? Now if you take the common, that gives you x plus 5 equal times x plus 2 equal to 0, right? So now the product of two factors equal to 0, and then they are individually are 0. So that gives you x plus 5 equal to 0 and x plus 2 equal to 0, right? If you solve that, that gives you, subtract both sides by 5, that gives you x equal to -5 here and x equal to -2 here, right? So with that, the correct answer is option B. So make sure that you practice this type of problem over and over again to get used to it.